I've grown up in Seattle my entire life. Over my time in this little rainy city, it has become a hub for business and tech developers. Seattle has housed some of the world's biggest companies like Starbucks, Boeing, and T-Mobile. But today I want to cover how Jeff Bezos' company, Amazon, reached global domination. Many of the users of Amazon today use it for the grocery delivery service, for shopping of clothing and books and shoes, and even to ask questions to their virtual assistant Alexa that can interact back with you. Jeff Bezos was aware of the ensuing tech boom from the beginning of the 90s and wanted to create a simple and easy online marketplace for an increasing number of internet users. Today, I will explain how Amazon capitalized on making an online marketplace for all purchasable services. First, we'll go over the benefits of putting Amazon headquarters in Washington State. Second, we will go over the invention of the Kindle, which changed the online book market forever. And lastly, how the acquisition of huge companies like Whole Foods Market and Ring Doorbell Service have added to their customer loyalty and sales. The economy and business location go hand in hand. The decision to place their headquarters in Washington State can illustrate this clearly. So this was their first headquarters in Seattle. According to an article done by Levi Polikin called "Why Washington is the Best State in America," written in 2019, he says, Washington's gross domestic product growth rate was 5.7 in 2018, the highest in the nation. This is largely thanks to the tech expansion, which has driven up real estate values. So Seattle already had a lot of technical talent in the area, with companies like Microsoft having their headquarters, and this just gave a lot more options for tech developers in the area. And so second, they were located near a place with a large number of books. According to an interview done by Fast Company with Bezos, one of the reasons he chose Seattle was that it was close to Roseburg, Oregon, which has one of the biggest book warehouses in the world. Seattle at this time was also exempt from paying retail tax, so you have to charge sales tax to any other state that you do business with, but Seattle has no sales tax, leading to bigger profits. I will now explain how Amazon took control of the online book market. In the 90s, Amazon was praised for selling backlog books from bookstores and wasn't viewed as competition to big bookstores. This all changed in 2007 when Amazon released its first e-reader that quickly drew attention. The Kindle Fire was later released in 2011 and spread widely due to its cheap price, and according to Encyclopedia Britannica, the Kindle Fire was estimated to constitute 50% of the tablets sold that use Google's Android mobile operating systems. So there's a huge number of people with this Kindle Fire system. This has also allowed authors and publishers to choose their own price points for their books in the Amazon market, and has led to a huge revenue stream for the company and writers. Amazon successfully monopolized the book market by underselling books to Amazon buyers to stall out bookstores who can't afford to stay in business. Amazon plans to factor this model into other markets by purchasing already trusted companies and add on to their business success. According to CB Insights, Amazon acquired the Whole Foods Market for $13.7 billion in 2017 to develop Amazon's grocery delivery service. In 2009, Amazon acquired Zappos Shoe Company, which added footwear to the website, which was a new thing to the website at the time. And then, as you can see, in 2014, they acquired Twitch for $970 million, which is an online streaming website. These are all in very different directions, but all have big markets that can be gained by Amazon. Hopefully you now view Amazon as something bigger than an online website. Amazon wants to have control over every market, and this is apparent from their business decisions that are customer first. Amazon has involved itself in food, clothing, reading, and more recently streaming services to keep their company on the front lines of user consumption. Amazon strategically placed their headquarters in Seattle, successfully monopolized the book market, and purchased already successful business models to add to the trust of the company. Jeff Bezos saw the chance to develop an effective online marketplace based on the world's wants and needs and successfully cultivated it. Hopefully you now have a better understanding of how Amazon reached global domination.